Okay, this is going to be a quick unboxing and review of a Cadisen watch I bought off AliExpress. I bought it about 2 months ago and it just delivered, so I'm going to open it for the first time right now. So let's take a look. It doesn't have a model name on the website. I got it during one of the AliExpress sales, which happens like once every couple months. So it was $65 with free shipping. So warranty card, no date on it, cleaning cloth, little manual, and here's the watch. So let's get all that out of here. Alright, so first thing is that this watch is heavy and it's massive. So let me take a look. So I got the black one. They have a couple different colors. There's a blue one now, and then different texture on the dial. So I don't have any calipers to measure, but it says the diameter is 46 millimeters, and the thickness is 12.5. It has a Seiko NH35 movement, automatic. And I think it's mineral glass and not sapphire. The one thing, it's 46 millimeters, but as you can see, these end links here, they protrude pretty far out. So let me get this packaging off, and then we'll take a little look and compare it to another watch. Alright, so this is with all the wrapping off. So the bracelet looks pretty nice, and it's like a butterfly clasp, and it has the Cadisen written right there. There's like some residue left from the sticker, so I'll have to clean that off. Basically a copy similar to a Royal Oak design. I'm gonna compare the size. So if the watch like ends right there, the end link goes another like 5 millimeters or something. So it's pretty huge. Thickness is 12.5, and then I found, I guess it does have a model number. So you can see right there, that's the model number, and then it's the NH35. Unsigned crown. But it looks pretty nice. Brushing is nice. There's sharp edges on the bracelet, like these, and the top especially. It's pretty sharp, but it's not crazy. I have a 6.5 inch wrist, so I'm gonna size this and I'll put it on, and then I'll show you and compare it to another watch, and we'll see how gigantic this looks. Alright, so this is the watch sized for my 6.5 inch wrist, and you can see, I mean, it's pretty massive. But that bracelet is nice, and then you can see, I mean, it sits on the wrist pretty well. Those end links kind of wrap around nicely. But yeah, I mean, this is a pretty massive watch. It does look nice though. So this is what this looks like at 46 millimeters, and then I'll show you what my Pagani Design 39mm looks like. This is my Pagani Design, basically a Daytona copy with the Seiko Mecha quartz movement. So this is 39mm, so that looks much more reasonable. Let me hold the two watches side by side. There we go. Especially if you take a look at the end links. I'm gonna see if I can, it has screws, if you can see, for the end link. It's got like screws in there, so maybe I can take that out and use a different strap. That might make it look a little more manageable. Okay, so I try to take that screw out, see if I can put a different strap on, but it doesn't come out. And then the links for the bracelet, it's just push pins, so it's pretty easy to get them out and size it. So yeah, I think this is one of the first reviews on YouTube of this watch. So if you were interested, I think right now the price is like $78, but every now and then they have their sales. It takes like $10 off. So if you have a bigger wrist, I have 6.5, so if you have a 7 or something, that'll probably look nice. 6.5, I might be pushing it, but it looks pretty cool. And it's a little different design, it's not a copy of other watches, so that's pretty nice. So the bracelet, to size it, it's just push pins, so it's not screws or anything. So all you need is, you know, a tool like this. Yeah, so you just stick it in there, and then take a hammer, and you'll be able to push those out. Then you push the link back in, and then I have one of these hammers specifically for watches. So you use the plastic side to hammer it back in, otherwise you'll scratch up the watch. So yeah, like I said, if you have any questions, you can write it in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bonus footage. So I was able to take the end link off, but you can't put a strap on. As you can see, you can only put this one back on. Sucks.